In this video, I'll show you how to play back audio from nearly any app on your phone through your Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may have buttons on the side or along the bottom like this one, and may or may not have a DVD player built in, the on-screen and button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer AVH-EX models: AVH-210EX, AVH-201EX, AVH-210EX, AVH-211EX, MVH-200EX, MVH-300EX. So on my phone, I have a number of different apps that play music. I have this one here, iHeartRadio. This one's Amazon Music. I have Pandora over here and Spotify. Any one of them can play music through my in-dash receiver using the Bluetooth audio source. So the first thing I want to do is make sure that my phone is connected through Bluetooth. And I can do that here by just noting that the Bluetooth logo is lit up in blue right here. That tells me that I have a Bluetooth phone connected. And if I switch to the Bluetooth audio source, I have my phone list right here. And I can see that Harry's iPhone is connected through Bluetooth audio. So I'm just going to hit the X there. Now I'm going to choose a source to play. Choose Pandora. And you can see that I get on-screen text telling me the name of the artist, name of the album, and the name of the song that's playing. This is Pandora, so I have a play and pause function here. I can also skip forward to the next track. Depending on the application that you're using, you may also have random play and repeat functions, skip forward and skip back available, but that depends upon the particular application that you're using. On many phones, it's a good idea to turn up the volume on the phone before you turn up the volume on the in-dash receiver. Now, the Bluetooth audio source here will work to play back music from nearly any app on your phone. So let's go and play music from another app. And here you can see I switched to the Spotify app and began to play a track, and we see different information on the screen here reflecting what's being played by that particular app. Now in this example, I'm going to show you what happens if you try to switch to the Bluetooth audio source and it's not there. So for example, I'm on the radio, the AM/FM radio source right now, and I want to listen to Bluetooth audio, one of my music apps, through the phone. Well, I just want to touch the Bluetooth audio source, but you can see there's no Bluetooth audio source in my list. And if I go out to my home screen, you can see that Bluetooth audio is there, but it's grayed out. And if I touch the button, nothing happens. So we need to go into the settings to correct that. So let's touch the gears up here. And we want to go to the toolbox. And under the toolbox, we want the AV source settings. Under the AV source settings, look, Bluetooth audio right here is switched off. Let's switch it on. And then we can touch the home button. And you can see that the Bluetooth audio source is available. For right now, I'm going to choose the radio. And in my drop-down list, there's Bluetooth audio. We can select it there.